morning, guys. Happy Sunday. It's almost 11 a.m. As you know, in my last 2 vlogs, I've been like very sick. I have had cough and cold like real bad, and I literally just recovered yesterday. So it's the first day today that I am feeling much better. As 2 weeks, I haven't really cleaned anything, so I have left everything as it was in the place, and this place has never ever been this bad since we have come here. It's literally the worst today. I'm literally dreading to clean it because it's so much. I woke up today and I looked at the place and I was like, oh my god, it's so much. I was literally so overwhelmed to look at every single thing and that I have to clean it. I just made a cup of tea and just watched YouTube for some time till just now I felt that it's okay. Let's do this. Let's get this over with. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And oh my god, I forgot. We have something from Amazon and we have like 2 huge boxes. But before opening them, I have to clean this space so that I can set it up very nicely and properly, and I'm so excited to open it up. Okay, so look at this kitchen top. All of that bottom drawer, everything is in the sink. We have like so much of trash to take out. What the hell? What is up with this desk? Most of it is literally trash. I have to like throw these in the bin. Look at this floor. I've been like throwing tissues from the bed. Oh my god, the bed. I have like so many clothes. I need to fold them. My flowers died like 2 days ago, but I still haven't like taken them out, so we have to do that too. Look at these 2 big boxes. Like these are like really huge, and we'll see what's in there very soon. Look who's out here. It's finally my tripod, and I finally decided to take it out. I had it like up there since like we've come here. I haven't taken down any time whenever I vlogged, but now's the time. I'm today going to use the tripod and vlog when I clean. Clean the kitchen. Feels so good. I know it's dreadful to start, but believe me, once you're done cleaning, it's the most amazing thing. Now let's start with the table here. Like it's pretty messy. I usually watch like YouTube or maybe Netflix when I clean stuff because it's like dead silent here, and I quite hate it because if I open this window, it'll be so cold I might die. If I close it, it's like dead silent. Like literally listen to this. Nothing. It's literally nothing. I've not put any makeup right now on my face because I just usually like to let my skin breathe like at least once a week, because usually every day when I go out, when I go to work, I at least put like not much but a little makeup, and sometimes I just like not putting any makeup at all. So I have just applied literally lip care because you know my lips was swollen. They're much better right now, but still I am really comfortable like with my skin now because the weather is very suitable for my oily skin. I'm really happy. So oh, and my hair are so bad. I am hating it. I really want to wash them, but as you know, if you have cold, you shouldn't wash your hair because there's some reason behind it, but yeah, you shouldn't. So I'm just trying not to. I might wash them tomorrow before I go to work, but let's see. I don't want to fall sick again. I'm really tired of it now. Just not bothering about it. We'll just clean now. that. We need to like put this all in right place. My beautiful tulips. That's okay. We'll get new ones. They were really good. They like served for like a whole week, and I'm so happy they did. It's time for us to say goodbye to them, so I'm just gonna take them out, clean everything, and then we'll move to the bed. And I think that should be all. That's the last one, and then we will get to these boxes. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay, a real quick update. I showed you that I got this book in the last vlog from Amazon, and I'm sorry for the noise. I was feeling so hot. I had to open the door a little bit because I'm fine. I think once I sit down and relax, I might have to close it because then I'll feel cold. But for now, we're good. We have opened the door a little, so we're fine with that. Okay, about the book. I started reading it yesterday because I wasn't feeling like doing anything, so I just was in my bed. I started reading it and I fell asleep while reading this. But then I woke up and read it again, and you won't believe it. I didn't believe it, but I read like almost 50 pages like on the first day itself. This book is like 500 pages big. I'm never a reader. I would never read this much. I really like this author. It's the book from Lucy's Score. If you haven't watched my previous vlog, I got this book. And yeah, that's a little reading update. And yeah, I just wanted to take a break from the cleaning, so I just sat down and thought that I can just give you a reading update real quick. Yeah, it's a good day today. It's not raining and it's not gloomy. It's quite bright, and I'm liking how we are getting like much of... Okay, that keeps falling. I know you can't see it, like look at that. It keeps falling like every time. I just stuck it and it fell off again. Okay, so as I was saying, we're getting much light as of now. Like it doesn't get dark until like almost 6 o'clock. I promise not too long before I have to open the boxes and show you what's inside. Just be patient, hang on for a little while, just a few more minutes, and we'll get there. Literally, look at this. I think this is how it fits, yep. This is the tiny one, is so cute as well. Then this is the third one. Oh my god, guys. Smoothie mug. Okay, we have this one. And oh, we have this. Oh, I think it should be for these. OMG, look at that. It's like a mug. It's like a go-to mug. And you can drink out of this. This is amazing. Okay, I just put all the dishes down so that this will look a little more clean. I've had this because there's a cut onion inside. I really think it hasn't gone bad, has it? Oh my god, ew, I hit that. Oh, sorry. So now I have to clean this and then put this back as well. Yeah, I think I'll just get the toaster because anyways, so I think I can just put the toaster back up and free the space for the grinder. all clean and tidy now. I just had a good banana smoothie with some protein, and now I'm literally just going to start editing the video because I was not well since like 2-3 days. I couldn't do anything, but that's okay. Today we'll do it, and I'm hoping that I could complete it today before I go to sleep, and maybe I can post it tomorrow, so that's fine too. Let's just start editing now.